Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily remove watermarks from your pictures. This method works for various types of watermarks, whether they come from stock images or other sources, but I'll guide you through each step, making it simple and straightforward. So without further ado, let's get started. First, open any browser on your phone and type watermark AI, open the top result, and then upload the picture from which you want to remove the watermark. You can see that it is loading. Once the loading is complete, your picture will be ready. You can see that your picture is ready. Swipe to see the original picture. Scroll down and click on the download button to download the picture. And here you can see the picture is downloaded. You can easily save it to the gallery by clicking on the share option, then tapping on save image. Let's open the gallery to check if it has been downloaded or not. And there you can see your picture has been downloaded. Thanks for tuning in to this tutorial on how to remove watermarks from your pictures. Now that you've learned this handy trick, say goodbye to unwanted watermarks and hello to clean professional images. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, subscribe for more tips and tricks, and press the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload new content. Until next time, happy editing.